We set standards, processes and guidance for the HMRC estate.
We are experts in people, performance, governance and assurance.
I joined the estates team in 2016 at a really exciting time. HMRC had just announced the build of a selection of brand new modern regional centres and government hubs right across the UK. So over the past 8 years working in the Estates and Locations programme, I have been fortunate enough to be part of some huge transformational change across HMRC estate, working alongside some brilliant supportive colleagues which have given me a real sense of belonging here. My role requires me to keep colleagues informed about what's going on in the building they work in, so I am at the heart of the estates activity, which I love. Plus, the opportunities and investment in people here are also second to none. I have recently finished a Chartered Institute of Public Relations Specialist Certificate in Internal Communications, which I wouldn't have been able to achieve without support of HMRC and my amazing colleagues.
I started my career at HMRC in 2003, working in a variety of different roles, from employers' tax to projects. But in 2017, I moved to a role in another government department before returning to HMRC just last year. And wow, the transformation I've seen at HMRC has been amazing. I mean, firstly, who wouldn't jump at the chance of working in such a great environment like Liverpool's India Buildings, which is a Grade 2 listed regional centre located in the heart of the city. And secondly, my role within the Estates and Locations programme has given me the opportunity to work with stakeholders across the entire programme, which I've thoroughly enjoyed. I've been able to champion robust information management and get involved in various cross-government networks such as the Women in Property Network, which has developed my skills and given me the confidence to create platforms for others to thrive from too. HMRC really is a great place to work.
A career in your hands awaits.
Apply for estates roles today on Civil Service Jobs.